Hey, what's up guys? I'm David Rico from Barber Surgeons in downtown Fullerton, and we're here to talk about the new Suavecito Light Hold Pomade. All right, so like always, gonna open our can of Suavecito. Gonna start off with a little bit. Definitely don't need too much for easy, relaxed style. Spread it out on my palms. Work it all in the hair. You can definitely feel it at this stage how much more pliable and easy it is to just comb through with your hands. And it helps spread it out. And just like everything else, the more I'm combing, the more friction, the more it spreads around, the more it gets worked in. This one's already pretty easy to push around in the hair. Cool thing too is while I'm combing, because this one is so much more pliable, it's just easy to keep running, even fine tooth through the hair, even the fine tooth side of the comb through the hair. Definitely got a lighter feel to it, so if you're not planning or you're not wanting super heavy, strong hold, or just, you know, the classic hold that you're used to with Suavecito, this is gonna serve you really well. Can still run my hands through it, give them a little bit more of a just done, rolled out, easy look. Get rid of those comb lines. It's nothing real difficult here. Same thing, just like you're used to with your OG pomade, the original Suavecito. The only thing you're gonna notice is just the ease of use. Combing through it, even pulling it right out of the can, you'll feel the texture that it's softer. Spreads around your hands real easy. And then when you have it on, you don't feel like your hair is locked down the way that you're used to with the original and the firm holds. So it's just a nice way to round out, you know, the original pomades or Suavecito family. You know, you got your light hold, your regular hold, and your strong hold. Same shine you're used to, same classic smell, lighter hold. Again, we're gonna start off with a little bit. You can feel how pliable and fluffy this stuff is. Just gonna take a little bit, show you what it looks like on his dry hair. This time, I'm gonna show you what it's like to layer it up a bit. Just like we would with the OG. Starting to see that shine. Like to spread it out a little bit. You can still see the hold in there. Just because it's lighter doesn't mean it can't hold your hair at all. Got good shine going, looking nice and slick. Still easy to run through. But that would be about it right there. Whole point is to keep it easy. Even if you wind up putting a hat on during the day or something, you know, you have those same great effects like with the original hold, where because it's water-based, you can just spritz a little bit of water on your hair or a little bit of water on your hands from the sink, run through, clean it up. It's real easy. Doesn't feel like it's weighing you down. So now we have the new Suavecito Light Hold Pomade. Just what I think is the perfect addition to round out the family of pomades in the original line. You know, you had the OG, the OG original pomade, and then you had the Firme, the strong hold pomade. Now you have a light hold. So it makes it easy for every situation. You know, you got your small, medium, large, and just something for every application. So same great things as the other pomades that we already have. You got a water soluble pomade, so it's easy to wash out. You can restyle with a little bit of water on your hands or a little spritz from the water bottle throughout the day. The only thing you're gonna notice in a big difference is that when you dip into your brand new tub, you're gonna feel how soft it is in comparison to the other ones that you're used to. And then you're gonna feel how soft it is when you mix it into your hands and how easy it slides through your hair. So it's kind of the object, you know. This one, I don't have to get into a lot of detail. Same great stuff you love, but just a little bit easier use, and like it says, lighter hold. All right guys, once again, I'm David Rico from Barber Surgeons in downtown Fullerton. Thanks for checking out this little video on Suavecito's new Light Hold Pomade.